Hello everyone! If you've been working with WordPress for more than 5 minutes, you know the struggle is real. You start a project and it's all clean and organized, but fast forward a few months and your media library looks like a digital explosion. Thousands of images, PDFs, and videos are all piled into one giant endless scroll. Trying to find that one specific brand logo from last year? Good luck! It's a massive time sink that honestly kills your creative flow. But what if you could organize your WordPress site just like the folders on your computer? Well, that is exactly what we're looking at today. We are diving deep into a tool that is a total game changer for your workflow, the FILEBIRD WordPress plugin. The link to purchase this plugin can be found in the video description. Let's dive in. What is FILEBIRD? The virtual folder revolution. So what is FILEBIRD exactly? In short, it's a media library folders and file manager plugin that lets you create a professional hierarchical structure within your WordPress dashboard. But here is the magic part. It uses virtual folders. This means you can move your files into as many folders as you want without actually changing the file paths on your server. Why does that matter? Because it means you won't break any of your existing image links or mess up your SEO while you're tidying up. Whether you're a freelance developer handling dozens of client sites or a business owner with a massive e-commerce catalog, FILEBIRD is designed to turn that thousands of files headache into a streamlined, organized system. It supports everything: images, videos, audio, SVGs, PDFs, you name it. Top features that actually matter. Let's talk about why people are obsessed with this plugin. First up is the drag and drop interface. It sounds simple, but it's executed so smoothly here. You can drag files into folders or even folders into other folders just like you do on Windows or Mac. It's intuitive, fast, and honestly a bit satisfying to watch the clutter disappear. But FILEBIRD doesn't stop at just media. This year, they've expanded the magic to pages, posts, and custom post types. That's right, you can now categorize your products, events, and even Elementor templates into folders. If you've ever had a site with 200 different pages and struggled to find the right one to edit, this feature alone is worth the price of admission. For the design conscious among us, they've added folder themes and colors. You can choose skins like Windows 11 styles or Dropbox styles and color code your folders. Need your client assets to be bright red so you don't miss them? Done. It's those little UI touches that make the back end of WordPress actually feel like a modern workspace. Remember that if you're interested, you have the link with the best price in the description. Integration and advanced tools. One of my favorite pro moves is the download media folders as zip feature. If you need to back up a specific set of assets or move them offline, you just click a button and the entire folder structure is exported into a zip. Plus, if you're worried about server space, FILEBIRD now supports cloud integration for Google Drive and Dropbox. You can access your cloud files directly from your WordPress dashboard as if they were right there on your server. And for those using page builders like Elementor, WP Bakery, or Divi, listen up. FILEBIRD has a superior file browser built right into these builders. When you go to insert an image in Elementor, you get the full FILEBIRD folder tree right there in the sidebar. No more searching through 1,000 thumbnails just to find one icon. All right, time for some real talk. Is FILEBIRD actually worth your money? My honest opinion, if you have a small site with 20 images, you probably don't need this. But the second your media library hits that triple-digit mark, FILEBIRD becomes an absolute necessity. The painless migration feature is a lifesaver. If you're using an older, clunkier folder plugin, you can import everything into FILEBIRD with one click. What really seals the deal for me is the lifetime license. In a world of annoying monthly subscriptions, paying once and getting updates forever is a huge win. It's stable, it's fast, and it doesn't slow down your site because of how it handles database queries. It's one of the few plugins I install on almost every client site I build. Remember that if you're interested, you have the link with the best price in the description. See you next time.